Let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're mastering the German spoken past tense for absolutely amazing travel stories.
Picture this. You just got back from an epic trip. How do you actually talk about it in German? To talk about the past, we ditch the present tense and use what's called the perfect tense instead. German has 4 main tenses, sure, but everyday conversations and travel stories rely heavily on the perfect tense. Here's the core formula. Put your helper verb second and kick the past participle straight to the end. Most verbs use haben. Just conjugate it to match your subject, like ich habe Urlaub gemacht. Super easy. But wait, if the verb shows movement or change of state, you've got to use sein instead.
This is a classic rookie mistake. Fahren means you're moving, so it requires sein. Ich bin nach Spanien gefahren. Now for that past participle, the final action verb. We can break it down into 3 really simple rules. Rule 1. For regular verbs, just slap a J on the front and a T on the back. Gemacht. Rule 2. Irregular verbs often change their stem, but keep an "-ian ending. Think gefahren or gegessen. Rule 3. Separable verbs literally sandwiched that ge right between the prefix and the main verb stem, like angekommen. Remember, German word order is super strict. That past participle never comes early. It always waits at the end. Let's practice. Applying the movement rule, which one uses haben for packing and sein for flying?
Let's build up that travel vocabulary. Here are some awesome destinations and exactly how we'll get there.
Knowing your accommodations and activities gives you the perfect building blocks to construct your own fun travel stories. See the shift? We go from planning a dream vacation right now to describing a past trip using perfect. Let's use this in the real world. Here's the exact structure of a formal German hotel reservation email.
You can smoothly request your dates and ask for an open room with a precise sentence just like this.
Okay, your turn. Where do you love to travel and what exactly did you do last time? Master this step-by-step from A1 to C1 at Falowen Learning Hub. Where will your German take you next?